So friends, in this video I'm going to explain how we can install WordPress in localhost. Sometimes installing WordPress in localhost is beneficial if you want to try out some feature of WordPress before going live, because if something goes wrong with the live website it's very difficult. So we'll try to install WordPress in localhost to try out some new features or try out some new WordPress versions. So to install WordPress in localhost, we need some software which is called localhost server. So for our tutorial, we're gonna see Xampp server, which is a localhost server. So for that, you have to go to Chrome and search for Xampp. Let's click on downloads and download for Windows or for Mac or for Linux. So I have Windows, so I'm gonna download for Windows. Since already I have downloaded and installed that, so I'm gonna open that. So once you open it, you have this interface for Xampp. Here you have to start the Apache server, which is a web server, and you have to start MySQL, which is a database server. Here is a root directory which is called Explorer. Let's click on that. So here you'll get a folder called htdocs where you have to put your WordPress files, like how we put our files in the root directory of our actual web servers. So let me download the latest version of WordPress, so which is 5.2.2. Let's go down and click on download WordPress 5.2.2. So let's unzip that folder. So inside the main folder, you will have one more folder called WordPress. Then copy all the content of that folder and paste it in htdocs. So all our files of WordPress are copied here. Now we'll go to Xampp and we'll create a database. So for that, let's click on admin. So it will take you to my PHP admin interface. Here we'll click on new, give a name for database. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna put test2 and click on create. So test2 got created. If you go to privilege, you will see I have the user called root, which has all the privileges. If you want, you can create a user also, but I'll go with the root. Now you have to rename the file wp-config-sample. Just remove the sample and the file name should look like wp-config. Open that file in any code editor. Here you have to put the database name, then followed by database user and the database password. So our database name is test2 and database user is root, and for root there is no password, so I'll keep it blank. So just save the file. Now go to the browser and type the localhost IP, which is 127.0.0.1. Once you click on that, it will show the WordPress installation interface. Here click on the language and go for continue. Here you can give the site title, then the admin username and the admin password. You can go with the default password, but the default password is too big, so you can simplify that as per your requirement. So make sure the password strength is showing at least to medium. Then you have to give the email ID. At the bottom you have option whether to discourage the search engine to access your website or not. So I'll prefer to discourage that. Then click on install WordPress. Again, it might take a bit of time, So it is installed. Let me click on login, so it will take you to the admin dashboard of your WordPress. So here you have to give your admin username, which was Belenod, and you have to give the password and then click on login. So looks like I gave the wrong password. Let me try again. Oh, I'm sorry, again I get the wrong password. So let me try one more time. So this time the password it has taken. So I'm right now in the WordPress dashboard. So here you can customize the WordPress, you can try out the new features, or you can try out the new updates, so whatever you try. And once you're happy with the updates, then you can do the same thing with the live website. So here you can see that that WordPress that we have installed, so it is the website. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching, guys.